Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about this accounts book, which is for a credit type business in the UK that's VAT registered. The working part of the book has a monthly layout with 4 pages for each month's accounts. On this first page is space to record all your sales, and opposite is a page with 2 columns. The left-hand column is for your bank record, and beside it is space to record petty cash. We'll come back to these pages in a moment, but first I want to show you the second double page. This is to record all your payments. Across the top there are some pre-printed column headings, plus blank columns for you to fill in your own headings to suit your business. And there are 12 identical sets of these pages to cover a complete trading year. Now let's return to the first of the month's pages, which is to record your sales. There's a worked example in the book with contextual advice bubbles. You enter your own figures from your sales invoices lever arch file. When doing my own accounts, I always use a printing calculator, as I can check that I've entered the correct figures into the calculator, and if there is space on the accounts book page, I'll stick the printout by the column of figures. We'll skip the bank record column for now, as you need to do that last. So let's look at the petty cash column. Of course, this is only relevant if you are using a petty cash box, and don't worry if you're not. Completing this column should be straightforward, but do remember, if you pay for something with your own cash, you need to enter the same amount in the money introduced part, or the column will not balance. Okay, we now move to the double page spread that lists all your payments by cheque, card or direct banking. Let's look at the left-hand page first with its worked example. You enter your own figures from your purchase invoices file. An issue here is to remember you need a proper VAT invoice to recover the VAT on any purchase or expense. Details of this are given in this book. You can list your payments in different ways. I personally prefer to list them in the same sequence as my bank statement, as it makes the whole process easier and quicker. Finally, you need to tackle the bank record column. It's based on your business bank statement, so it should all match and balance at the end of the month. At the foot of this column is a bank balance checkbox to help you. You must get it to balance, of course. Later in the book, there are pages to record any purchases or sales with other EC countries. But first read the advice on the first page of this section, which is easily identified by its black edge tabs. Now, each VAT quarter you need to complete a VAT account. This is an HMRC requirement, and there are 4 blank VAT accounts in this book, 1 for each quarter, and they've been designed to help you fill them in and hence complete your VAT return. There is also space in this book for year-end tasks such as stock taking, listing debtors, creditors, and any capital expenditure or sales of assets, and annual summaries of your sales and payments. With the instructions, tips and worked example in this book, and help from an accountant, I do hope you will find your bookkeeping not too difficult.